Hi guys, so this feels so weird sitting here in front of the camera but yet so right at the same time. Let me just adjust the monitor real quick. Oh no. That okay? That a little better? I don't really know. Okay, so as I was saying, this feels so weird but so right all at the same time. I haven't sat down physically in front of the camera right here in over a month. As you saw, if you're a returning subscriber, I was actually doing Vlogmas the entire month of December, so December 1st all the way up until the 25th, so Christmas Day. And if you haven't watched it, I will have the playlist linked in the description down below. But as you can tell from the title of this video, we are doing the LUSH Boxing Day 2019. I know this is going up in 2020. It is currently, I want to say the 8th of 2020, January. So this just feels really crazy saying that it's a whole new decade. It's a whole new year. And yeah, I just need to get used to the fact that it's 2020. I need to get used to saying 2020. And this is just really exciting. So let's just get into the haul. Okay, so I'm just going to pick up the box and show you all an initial just look, because we got a couple good, we didn't get a couple good things, we got quite a few good things. So I want to say I only paid, did it have a price in the box? Oh my gosh. So it has the amount in Canada, it has the amount in Canadian dollars. And it has the overall value. So the overall value of this box is around $100, but because I got it on Boxing Day, for those of you who don't know, who aren't an official Lushie, a Lushie is someone who's I guess a die-hard person for Lush products. Boxing Day is the day after Christmas, it's the 26th, and all of their holiday merchandise, all of their holiday products go on sale for half price. So I'm just gonna reach in here and pull out the first thing, and it is the Galaxy Lip Scrub. And apparently it's supposed to taste like raspberries, and it's completely edible. And it smells really nice. It does smell like raspberries actually. And I got it because I like raspberries, and the color is blue. If it'll stop focusing on my face and focus on the product. I don't think that's gonna happen. Alright, whatever. But this is called Galaxy. It is blue. It was metallic blue, and it smells really nice. So what I like to do is I like to put on lip scrubs after I brush my teeth. That's just me. Put on a lip scrub whenever you feel like it. Oh yeah, and I was saying that the overall value of this box is $100. Because of Boxing Day, I paid $50 for, I want to say, a dozen items. So for Lush, that is really, really good. So, let's see. I got 2 of these bath bombs. I got 2 of these same bath bombs. They're both called Holder. And I'm just going to reach in and show you. This is what it looks like. It's green and it's very crumbly on top. That's surprisingly the way it's supposed to look. And it kind of looks like icicle bits on top. So it's a bluish purple on top and then green all around. And so I got 2 of those. I got another bath bomb. If you don't know this about me, I stock up on all of the holiday bath bombs and on Boxing Day, and I don't buy any other bath bombs for the rest of the year. Just a fun fact about me. So here is the Luxury Lush Pud Bath Bomb, and it is one of my favorite ones. Whew. I'm going to be sneezing a little bit later. And there's mistletoe right here on top. It is so cute, and it is just really nice, and I think there's something in here, and there's just polka dots all the way around. So the next item, I actually got 2 of these because I knew I would really like them, and it is blue, so I had to get it because it's blue and it's a snowflake. So I love snowflakes and I love the color blue, in case you don't know that about me. Now this is the Let It Snow Sparkle Bar, and it's a shimmer bar. And I'm pretty sure you just plop this in the bathtub with you and it turns your bath water and your skin all sparkly. And I'm pretty sure it moisturizes too. And I want to say that the scent is lavender. I want to say it's lavender. And then this bath bomb is called Fairy Trumpets. And it's a yellow bath bomb with, I want to say, purple pink ribbon on it. And then this one is actually a Lush staple for the holiday season. It is called Golden Wonder, and it looks like a big, giant, golden Christmas present. I'm pretty sure there's something in here too, and it's just a giant Christmas present. And then the last official individual bath bomb is called Splash, and I got this because it's blue. And if you haven't noticed a theme here with the blue, I like blue. And I don't know, it just was intriguing to me. And it just smells clean. I don't know if my sense of clean is the same as yours, but it kind of smells like a really nice, fresh scent, almost like clean clothes. And then the very last thing in this box, there's literally nothing else besides this one item, is the Jolly Holly Christmas gift box. And I got this gift box for one reason specifically. One, it was a very good deal. A lot of other gift boxes were sold out, so I was very happy to at least gotten my hands on this one. And then it says the traditional like to, from, and then it shows what's in here. So what's in here is the Golden Wonder Bath Bomb, which I already showed you. It's that golden yellow Christmas present. And there's also the Yognog Bubble Bar. Now, there weren't hardly any good bubble bars, and I really wanted to try it, so I figured why not get the gift box. It has the bubble bar that I wanted to try, plus it has another Golden Wonder, which I was already purchasing, so that is a really good deal. And I'm just going to read to you the description of the Yognog Bubble Bar. So it says, settle into a cozy soak with masses of fluffy foam, velvety shea butter waters, and the mouth-watering scent of burnt caramel. That sounds amazing. But that was all that I got for Lush Boxing Day. And the packing peanuts, honestly, they smell really good too. Ugh. They smell real nice. And then everything in this box apparently is recyclable, including the packing peanuts. These are recyclable and compostable. And everything in here can be recycled. And that's one of the things that I just love about Lush. So I'm just gonna hold up everything that I got, or at least try to. Plus this. Here. See if I can hold it up. So this is what I got on the Lush Boxing Day. So I have 5 individual bath bombs, 2 shimmer bars, the Galaxy lip scrub, and also the gift box. So if you break down the gift box and count it as 2 instead of 1, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 items here for $50 from Lush, so that is basically $5 per item, which is really good for Lush, and that was including the shipping. I'm including the shipping in this. Uh-oh. That's including the shipping, so it was $56 and change, and I'm just really happy and excited that I got all of these amazing products, and I'm very grateful that I was even able to get through on the website because it is madness during Boxing Day. It starts at midnight. I obviously wasn't participating at midnight directly because midnight when they start the Boxing Day is actually, I want to say 1 or 2 a.m. here. So I waited until 8 a.m. here. So the website was live and open for Boxing Day, I want to say, from for 6 hours before I got my hands on anything. So I'm very fortunate to have purchased what I did. And yeah, I'm just very grateful. I will have last year's Boxing Day linked in the description down below as well, because I just love doing Boxing Days. I think that this is going to become a tiny tradition here on my channel, just doing a haul for Lush Boxing Day. And yeah, I am really excited to be trying out all of these Lush products. I think the only two that are repurchase are the Lush Luxury Pud Bath Bomb and also the Golden Wonder Bath Bomb. Everything else is completely new to me, and I am very excited to be trying out these products throughout the year. And yeah, that will be, I think that'll do it for this video. So remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!